knock these rotors out. So what happened with this one? Put brakes on several months ago, and she was experiencing some noise. I wasn't satisfied with the brake quality, so I'm gonna change these brakes, or shave the rotors and change the brakes. That was a 21 to get the wheel off. 14 here to pull the caliper off. So just pull one side thing back. So. These were AutoZone brakes and rotor combinations. Unfortunately, my parts store didn't have any in stock. So should be a 17 and back to get these mountain bracket plates. I gotta take these and shave them, take them to. Why am I using this? I don't know how y'all. I couldn't do it. I mean, it seemed like it's easiest to some point doing like in-home care, but man, ain't nowhere in the world. People already like selfish. I couldn't. So you registered already? So what happened when you was there before? What is it? Pharmacology. Oh. You. I just go by weed. It's like weed. Oxycodone, yeah. Sell those. Really? Yeah. No, I'm gonna mute all that. Road ain't coming out. Huh? No, man. No. some new people they hired at O'Reilly's.
What?
Yeah. They hired the black girl. Two black girls. It's funny, but when a black girl started working there, the two Hispanic girls started acting a little different. I was like, this is weird. What was it? So these brakes are uh, specifically oriented to go in a particular spot. So this one has notches, dials basically, they're protruding, and these are going to go on the outside. The flat surface is going to go on the inside here. Oh shit. Shut these brakes up as much as possible. I don't know if you noticed, but like I was saying, the notches go into a specific spot, so they have to be able to clear that, and they're going to rest on that, sort of. But if you didn't have these there, it wouldn't. The other side, they would keep you from being able to close the caliper all the way. So you have to be. I make mistakes. Look what I did. Then line up the hose. Well, let me pull it back off and get those lined back up. I mean, hell, some of them don't even have it on there. So, like Toyotas, Lexuses, they don't even use these, like screws or anything to hold the rotor on. But it's not my car, so. I'm gonna wrap this up. I mean, it's the same for the other side. Just don't forget to pump your brakes. Peace. So I'm on the other side doing the brakes now. I was just thinking, I'm like, I did a warranty replacement on these pads because the lady would complain about. She's very particular about her car. She would complain about brake noise. So that's why customer satisfaction. I'm like, I'm going to shave the rotors, put new pads on there. Well, this one was shaved. Thing is, they didn't have a new one in stock, so I was like, I just took the old one and shaved it. So, it'll be true as a new rotor would. Anyway, as I continued to finish the repair, I noticed, like, you know what? There was a lot of accumulation of brake dust where the brake shoes were, and damn it, if that couldn't have been the contributing factor or the sole reason to why this car had intermittent noise when backing up. Not when stopping, but when backing up. So I could have sworn when I replaced these originally, I cleaned the brake shoes. But I guess in hindsight, I probably could have saved myself a lot of time by not having to do this. But we got new stuff on there. Everything's cleaned up, and now it's documented that it was done legitimate. I guess it was done properly. So I swear I thought I cleaned everything off before, especially with the brake shoes. Greased the pads up in the back, and the aftermarket pads aren't going to be that great anyway. So that's why they say that brake grease, so they won't have any noise. And if the shims work properly, you wouldn't have to worry about that problem, and the friction material was that good, and the hardware. So I just thought about it. So I guess if you're working on your Genesis and you want having some noise when you're backing up, check the shoes. You might have some brake dust accumulation. Clean them off. You probably don't have to take the rotor off. Just take that little plug out, blow it out real good, and maybe you can spray a little brake cleaner in there and it'll drain out, and then blow it out again. But it's food for thought. But on to the next one.